I have tested tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and many more over time, but most of them are an absolute waste of time. Most AI tools today are just an app with an AI sticker on top of it to raise funding and to create hype, but in reality, most of them do not help people. But there are some AI tools which have absolutely changed the way I do work every single day. I'll show you what these tools are, how to use them, and how they can help you do better things in your life. And if you watch till the end, I'll share a bonus AI tool that can help you build any app that you want to. And it's not replit or lovable. Keep watching till the end. So let's start with the list. Tool 1. I'll first start with a very cool app that Google just released called as Pomily AI. They just launched this in India and it's a very cool tool where you can go in and just paste a link of any website. Now Pomily will extract all the branding assets of this website. It could be the color scheme, it could be the products on the page, and it will understand what is this page trying to sell. Then you can use these assets to create multiple ads for your business. So imagine having a D2C brand, just paste the website link on Pomily AI and watch it creates various ads, not just static images, but actual video ads. Now imagine using these videos as ads and running them on Facebook or Instagram. Pomily just replaced an entire team of marketers, including designer, copywriters, and editor with just a simple click. Now next up is a AI innovation workspace I need you to check out, and it is called Miro. So here is the problem I run into constantly. Imagine my team and I sit together, plan videos, brainstorm ideas, and at the end we have a canvas full of ideas, but no actionable items. Miro fixes exactly that. It converts your messy ideas into structured, ready to act deliverable content, calendar, campaign plans, everything. It's not replacing thinking, it's handling everything after thinking. Tool 3. Okay, next tool is really cool. It's called Granola AI. It's help you write notes after your meeting without even joining the meeting. You just turn it on, it's listen to your system's audio and creates the full summary instantly. No bots, no awkward interruption, just clean, perfect notes. Tool 4. Okay. The next tool is one of the most powerful AI tools I have come across recently, and it can completely change the way you use AI. It's called Claude Cowork. You can ask it to operate your desktop, analyze files, create PPTs, but the craziest feature is schedule tasks. I have a workflow where every day at 10 a.m. it scans Twitter, finds viral content, and creates real script for me. Earlier, this needed a team. Now it's just one AI workflow. That to me is insane. Bonus 2. Okay, we have reached the end. And here's the bonus tool. Instead of those no-code builders, use Cursor AI. It's basically a AI-powered code editor where you can build full apps just by typing prompt. You can connect it with models like Claude, Gemini, and build full stack apps from scratch. This is way more powerful than tools like Replit or Lovable because you can control everything. So those were the AI tools you should absolutely learn in 2026. You can make money, go viral, and become insanely productive. That's the whole point of this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.